Good evening. Today, 12 February 2026, and right now time is 7 p.m. Today we start petty procurement from farmers, and till now already we have loaded around 64 MT. Already 4 vehicle has gone, and this will be the last vehicle for tonight. So all my sector officers are present, along with my circle in charge Vidyut Baran Debnath, then Roshendra Debnath, sector officer of Kanchanpur Rohit Debbarma, and sector officer of Dosda Satkulal Debbarma. They are still working since from this morning around we start from 9, but till now we continue. Even Gopal Rudrapal, our another staff, is also helping. So still the lever from food department, they are this uploading the paddy, and this year our paddy rate is 22 rupees 69 paise for 1 kg. That is 2369 for 1 quintal, that is for 100 kg. So tomorrow again the program will continue. Even I thanks our DCM sir also for helping. He's looking after food department, and this is the digital moisture meter. Just after receiving the paddy, first farmers, they have to check their this moisture percentage through this digital moisture meter. So today our target is 70, but I think we'll exceed our total target. But if we include tomorrow's, altogether our total target is 140 MT. And this year department, our instruction is we have to give only 140 MT. Until now only few paddy has left. Those who are left will be picking up by tomorrow early in the morning. We'll be giving a token also. So I really thanks all my staffs, those who engage in this paddy procurement, along with all the farmers who have registered their name. In spite of even I thanks our department as well as food department also. In spite of lots of difficulties this year also, again we start this paddy procurement under this Kanchanpur Agri Subdivision, and the place where our PPC is Kanchanpur ISBT, Interstate Bus Terminus of Kanchanpur Agri Kanchanpur. So I really thanks to the labor from food department. In spite of having lots of difficulties, we have already uploaded 4 truck, and this will be the last truck for this evening. So again tomorrow we will start from around 9 morning. So I really thanks everyone for your kind cooperation for this paddy procurement. And this year, actually compared to last year, we received very less target. Only we received 140 MT. Previous year we are having 2 PPC, that is a paddy procurement center. One is at Kanchanpur ISBT, another one is at Kombaltila motor stand. But this time, due to the less target, we are having only one paddy procurement center at Kanchanpur ISBT. So this will be the last vehicle. Already 64 MT we have loaded, and the truck I think already left for Dharmanagar. And tomorrow again we will start this paddy procurement from morning around 9. So now today if we count this around in this truck, they can load around 14 MT. So altogether it will come 64 plus 14, around 76 MT will be up for today's target. So my special thanks to all my sector officers, especially Sector Officer of Dasda, Shatkolal Dev Burma, and Rohit Dev Burma, Sector Officer of Kanchanpur. Also thanks to my this circle in charge Vidut Baran Devnath and Roshendra Devnath and Gopal Rudrapal and other those who help in my so I thanks everyone for this paddy procurement. See you tomorrow again. Thank you and good night.